I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called a Monaco. This is a chilled cocktail, so we're going to start off with some ice. Pour that into a glass, just like so. Then we're going to add to that 2 ounces of gin. Now with your gin, you can use any kind that you like, so just pick your favorite. There we go. And I'm using what is called a jigger, that's Jigger, to measure and pour my alcohol. This is a great tool to have. You can get this at a bar supply store or a liquor store. Now we're going to add in 1 ounce of dry vermouth, which you should keep refrigerated, and just a few splashes of orange bitters. And you can adjust this to your taste. If you like this a little bit more dry, add more gin. If you like it a little more sweet, add more bitters. All right. Grab yourself a cocktail glass, just like so. And then you're going to take your strainer and put it right on top of your shaker. Hold it nice and tight. And you can get either of these items at a liquor store or a bar supply store. Go ahead and strain your cocktail into your cocktail glass and enjoy your Monaco. Cheers.